Monsters. So we are doing a week of mommy and me lunches, and of course these can be daddy and me lunches as well. So today I'm gonna make the easiest one that I like to use as my go-to when I don't have a lot of time to put lunches together, and I have to make one for Brandon and one for me for work as well. Today I'm gonna go with a Yum Box Panino. This is Brandon's lunch, so we're gonna show you that one first. He is gonna have, again, his ultimate favorite, a Nutella sandwich on brioche bread. With that, I have a clementine that I peeled. This is a strawberry that I cut into a couple pieces. I have some pita chips here, and then I have some pistachios. And then for my lunch, I am using a Planet Box. This is the lunch, and in the lunch, I am allergic to hazelnut, so instead I'm doing peanut butter and marshmallow fluff, which is my favorite go-to. With that, I also have pita chips, I have pistachios as well. And then in this little cup, I have strawberries just like him, but I brought a little cup of chocolate hummus. If you guys have never had this, it's super delicious. It is hummus, but it has chocolate flavor in it, and it goes really, really good with strawberries and also with pretzels. Those are my two favorite ways to eat that. So I have that. For our snacks, I have these Nature's Bakery treats. So he's going to have the brownie one, and I'm gonna have the blueberry one, but we're each gonna have one of those packs as well. And then for drinks, I have a thermos for him and a thermos for me. So that is what we are bringing to lunch today. I will go ahead and show you guys again real quick. There you go, and I will show you what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one. Bye, guys. Hey, good morning, guys. Today I am doing another mommy and me lunch, and for Brandon's lunch we are using a thermos funtainer. In the thermos we are using for our main meal, it's going to be some cheese tortellini. I have some peas in there, and then I had some pesto sauce, so that's going to be our main meal. To go with that, I gave him a snack container, a Sistema snack container, and inside the container I have some grapes, his multivitamins, some pretzel goldfish, and some tomatoes. For this, I have a spoon fork for him to be able to eat that with. They usually does come with a spoon on the top of the lid of the thermos funtainer, but it's going to be a little bit more difficult for him to use that, so I'm going to add this for him as a utensil. For snack, I'm going to give him these sandwich crackers. This is grilled cheese, which I think is a new flavor, but we'll see if he likes that. And then he has his thermos of milk. I'm going to give him a little bottle of water to go with that as well. So that's what he is eating. For me, I am mimicking the same thing. That's why we have a mommy and me lunch. So I am using a Sistema container. Now this is like a soup cup. It has a handle. I love this container. Really good for soup because it has a vent here as well. But since I have this pasta, I have the same thing as him. Also cheese tortellini with some pesto sauce, some peas, and I like to add my tomatoes straight into the pasta. So that's what mine looks like. To go with that, I also have a spoon fork, adult version, a little larger. And I have this little container. It's a snack container made by Fuel. But I also have some pretzel goldfish and my multivitamins because I always forget to take them. And I figured since I add it for Brandon's, might as well add it for myself too, right? So I have that. I have a bag of grapes I just have in a Ziploc bag. And then I also have crackers. Mine are peanut butter and honey. Since I like peanut butter and he doesn't, I'm going to have that. And to go with that, I have my thermos of water. So that is what we are bringing for lunch today. We will see at the end of the day if he finishes it or not. Usually, like I said, I do. But I will show you what he eats at the end. Have a good one. Bye. Good morning, little monsters. Today we have another mommy and me lunch inside the Planet Box Rover, and I love this robot theme here. We have cheese pizza. So I took a Thomas English muffin and I split it in half. He's getting half. It has tomato sauce and cheese on it, and feel free to add any toppings that you like. Brandon particularly prefers plain cheese pizza, so that's what I made for him today. I have some pretzel goldfish to go with that, some grapes, his multivitamins, some steamed broccoli, and then some mini Oreos for dessert. For his snack, I'm gonna give him a box of raisins, And he has his little bottle of water and his thermos as always. And then for my lunch, I am using the Yum Box Panino. So I had a very similar lunch. I also have the cheese pizza. This is the other half of the English muffin, so it's perfect that I was able to split it and then just share between the two of us. I also have grapes and I have broccoli and carrots, and mine are not steamed because I love dipping mine in ranch sauce. Brandon does not like ranch sauce. I think it's amazing and I hope your kids like it too, but if they do, this is another option or another way to eat it. That is going to be my lunch, and then I have my big large thermos of water. So that is what I'm bringing, that's what he's bringing. We will see at the end of the day how he likes his lunch, and I will show you guys them side by side again. Have a good one, guys. Hey guys, so today we have another Mommy and Me lunch. We are using Yum Boxes today. This is the Yum Box Original, and this is going to be Brandon's box. We are doing DIY Lunchables. And so for today we have salami. I cut them into little slices, put it on a skewer so they're easier to take out. We have some Ritz crackers for him, and then I have a Kobe Jack cheese, and then I have a Baby Bell cheese for him as well. I have some pistachios there in the middle, some cherry tomatoes, and some grapes. So that's what he is eating. I also have a Yum Box. Mine is the Yum Box Panino. And inside mine is the same thing as his pretty much. I have the cherry tomatoes. I have the salami here as well. I have instead crackers that are sesame seed crackers. I have pistachios. I also have grapes. And then for my cheese, I like goat cheese. So this is honey goat cheese. If you guys haven't tried it, it's so good. It's like a really, really great flavor that I was introduced to. Here I have a little spoon kind of, I guess, spreader, I should say. I got a pack of 100 of these on Amazon, and they are so convenient because you can just take it, spread it, and then throw it out. But that is what I have for my lunch. For the snacks, we have Pocky Sticks. If you guys have never had these before, you can actually find them in grocery stores really easily now in the Asian aisles, but they have so many different flavors. They're little biscuit sticks, and they're dipped in flavored chocolate. Brandon likes the chocolate flavor, which is this red packet. I like the strawberry one, so these are mine. And then for our drinks, he has his thermos of milk and his bottle of water. And then I have also my thermos of water. And then I have a coconut water that I'm gonna bring as well for my lunch. So we will see at the end of the day what he eats. Hope you guys like these Mommy and Me lunches. Please comment down below and let me know what else you want to see. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you can see what we eat on a weekly basis. Thanks for watching and have a monster-rific week. Bye.